Hear that? That's the sound of a $50 spreader giving up on life and ruining your entire seeding project. Getting a perfect, green lawn is hard enough without your tools betraying you. So, we tested every major broadcast and drop spreader on the market, from the big box store bargains to the pro-grade units, spreading seed, fertilizer, even ice melt. And what we found will save you from a lawn care disaster. One popular model you've definitely seen, snapped in half on the first bag. But the number 3 pick, a simple and often overlooked design, was so flawless, it made the top brands look stupid. The results are in, and they are shocking. Number 1. Earthway 2150 Commercial. The Earthway 2150 is fitted with our patented even spread 3-hole drop shut-off system and built-in side spread control features, giving you a nearly 50-50 spread pattern. The 50 pounds capacity poly hopper is ideal for small jobs or in a situation where your storage space is limited. The multi-position height adjustable handle and T-handle lever provide total operator control and comfort for users of different heights. Large 13-inch pneumatic tires glide through even the heaviest turf. In addition, the non-corrosive shut-off plate ensures seasons of trouble-free spreading. Number 2. Titan Attachment 70. Titan Attachments Broadcast Fertilizer and Seed Spreader is a versatile, high-capacity tool designed to evenly distribute herbicides, fertilizers, insecticides, grass seed, and even ice melt. With a 50-pound drum and 3-position gearbox, it holds plenty of product and is easy to control for consistent application. Built for year-round use, this spreader features a high-grade steel frame, heavy-duty plastic components, and pneumatic tires that make it possible to run on turf or sod without damaging the grass. Despite its sturdy construction, it only weighs 25 pounds, making it light enough to maneuver without much effort but heavy enough to tackle hilly, root-filled, and rugged terrain. It covers a wide path for efficient lawn fertilizer application and is probably best for open spaces that are 10,000 square feet or larger. Number 3. Scott's Turf Builder. Use the Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard DLX broadcast spreader to apply fertilizer, grass seed, salt, and ice melt. This lawn spreader comes pre-calibrated and ready to use, and holds up to 15,000 square feet of Scott's product. When EdgeGuard is engaged, it will block off the right side of the spreader pattern to prevent product from spreading onto non-lawn areas. Using the Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard DLX broadcast spreader is simple. To begin, turn rate control dial to the correct setting listed on the back of each Scott's product, pour the product in the hopper, then start spreading. The spreader's design enhancements feature a curved hopper and dual-bladed agitator for smooth product funneling and consistent coverage. Spreaders provide uniform coverage of granular products. Without one, you may end up with uneven coverage of fertilizer or control products that can result in uneven feeding, weed, disease, or insect control. Scott spreaders can also be used to distribute salt on walkways and driveways. Number 4. Scott's Elite Spreader. Scott's Elite Spreader is advanced, accurate and engineered for a 20% faster application versus a standard 5 feet spread pattern to be used year-round. This spreader can be used for feed, seed, weed and melt, holding up to 20,000 square foot of product. The dual rotors provide exceptional accuracy while the ergonomic handle comes equipped with a smartphone holder. This spreader comes equipped with Scott's EdgeGuard technology. To use, prep by knowing your lawn size before beginning. When filling the spreader, do so over the driveway and clean up any spilled product. Then, turn the dial to the correct setting by reviewing the correct setting listed on the back of each Scott's product. Lastly, to apply, begin walking and squeeze trigger. Release at turns and walk briskly, making each pass 6 feet from the previous. Number 5. Agri-Fab 45-0463 130 pounds. The Agri-Fab, Inc. 130 pound. Toe spreader model #45-0463 will help you grow the beautiful lawn that you've always wanted. The best time to use a spreader is in the spring. For optimal results, spread grass seed over bare areas when needed. In the summer, fertilize and feed when necessary to enhance growth. An enclosed gearbox prevents spreading grass seed or fertilizer from disrupting activity. The Agri-Fab 130 pounds, tow-behind spreader will last you for years to come with proper care and use. And that's the truth about spreaders in 2025. No more clumps, no more jams, just a perfect, even lawn. Ready to get the job done right? All the links to find the best prices and finally buy the right spreader for you are down in the video description. I've done the breaking and testing so you don't have to. If this review saved you from a wasted weekend and a patchy lawn, do me a huge favor, smash that like button, it really supports the channel. Let me know in the comments what your biggest lawn struggle is. Share this with a neighbor who needs a better lawn. And for more honest reviews that actually test the gear, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. See you in the next one.